My house is like totally brand new. That means the feng shui is perfect, right? Hey everyone, welcome to the show. My name is Amanda Gates, and one of my favorite things is that people will buy and move into a brand new home and assume that because it's brand new that the feng shui is perfect. And that couldn't be more wrong. Because guess what? The architect and the builder don't know a damn thing about feng shui. So today I am sharing with you a floor plan that was actually just recently showcased in the paper. This is from a recent client who purchased this home and wanted to know if there were things that she needed to do with her furniture to get the feng shui just right in her brand new home. Problem is that, as you all know, after watching this channel, the furniture doesn't have anything to do with your feng shui, and it doesn't matter where your furniture is, unless we're talking about command. But the most important thing is just really being able to read the chi of what's going on in the floor plan. So where we always want to start are the top 5 disruptors. So first and foremost, we want to look at that front door. What's going on with this front door? Well, it's not bad. It's a double front door, so that can cause some issues. I've talked about that before on this channel, that when you have a double door like that, if you do not really clearly state which one is the door that you're using, that can cause confusion. So what happens is when you go up to the front door and the person who's visiting you, your guest, they are broadcasting confusion. If you do not clearly define, whether through door hardware, a beautiful welcome mat, whatever it is, you don't want confusion being broadcasted at your front door. Your front door is your mouth of chi, and it is the most important area of your home, because this is the area where all the energy enters your home and literally like seeds and waters every important area of your life. So if you get this area wrong, it's going to affect all the major areas in your life: health, wealth, relationships, career, all the goods in life. So I'm definitely going to have her adjust that and make sure that we clarify which door she's going to be using. The other thing is that when we're looking at those top 5 disruptors, the next one is the shape of your home. And so by looking at the shape, we can see from her floor plan that she is actually missing quite a bit. We're missing knowledge, and we're also missing wealth. And so that means that she's going to have a ding on finances and maybe not know what the hell to do about it. So we want to make sure that she has clarity around those things, and we want to be able to make sure that she holds on to her money. Depending on how your floor plan is, if you are missing this area, it's not a matter of putting in a charm or doing one little thing and like a money cure. It's probably going to require something else. Each floor plan is entirely different. So you may ask as you're watching this, well, what the hell do I do? I have that too. Well, it depends on your floor plan. In some cases, you can put up a mirror. In some cases, you can hang a crystal. It may require you to paint. In this situation, I'm going to have her paint her walls to help push out that area and recapture the energy of her wealth center. Her knowledge area, because it's outside, is not something that I can capture with any of those things. So we're going to have to look at landscaping to help recapture that clarity of mind so that she thinks and knows what to do with her money. That's something that's really important, is a lot of times people don't really care too much about knowledge. The 2 reasons that people contact me is they're looking for love and they're looking for money. Well, the problem is that if you're missing knowledge, that means that you don't have the knowledge to know when to hang on to that good partner or make good decisions around your money. So those are 2 really important things. The other thing is that she's also missing partnership in this. And so this could put a huge strain on her marriage. This could really show up with, arguments, things not working out, not really seeing eye to eye and bonking heads. So we're definitely going to want to fix that as well. And in her case, we are going to fix it with landscaping. The other thing that I wanted to look at are bathrooms. It's number 3 on the disruptor list, and bathrooms are just a drain on your chi. Where do those drains go? Where does the water go? They go down. So we've got a drain occurring in health and kind of I would say it's health. It's a little bit on fame. So we're definitely going to want to fix that so that we don't have a drain on that area. And also upstairs, she's got a drain in fame area. So that can, affect her reputation, but it can also affect clarity. So as you start to put this together, you can see that she might not have the clarity of mind to know what to do with her finances. She may not have the clarity of mind to know what to do with her partnership, or struggles and issues may show up in her life and she wouldn't know how to handle it. So I'm so thankful that she came to me, even though she's already purchased this home. I'm so thankful that she has come to me to help her get the energy alignment right in her home so that she can have a happy, healthy home and a happy, healthy marriage. If you are curious about getting a floor plan reading of your own, be sure to reach out to us at letschat@thegatescompany.com. And if you like the channel, be sure to click the button below and subscribe. All right, everyone, trust the vibe because the energy never lies.